This video is a supplement to section 2.3 for completing the square. The examples are exactly the same as they were on the PowerPoint in class. So when we complete the square, in this case a is 1, we follow the same method that we talked about in class. We're going to move the 7 to the other side. And now I have x squared plus 10x equals negative 7. Recall that we discussed that we do b divided by 2 squared, and that's what we're going to add to both sides. This helps us find the term in order to create a perfect trinomial square on the left. So b is 10 divided by 2 squared, and remember we leave it as 5 squared. And I'm going to add 5 squared to both sides of my equation. On the right hand side you can go ahead and simplify. 5 squared is 25, minus 7 is 18. On the left we now need to factor this, and we factor it into a trinomial square, which is x plus 5. In order to put it in vertex form, we need to take away 18, bring it back over to the other side, and now I have x plus 5 squared minus 18 is my y. That's my function in vertex form. The next example, we notice that in this case a is not 1, and so we have extra work to do. So we're going to start off and we're going to move our 11 to the other side, just like we did before. So I have 3x squared plus 12x, leave a space, equals negative 11. Well now, because x squared has this 3 in there, I need to divide everything by 3 to get rid of that 3. And I'm going to write off to the side that I divided by 3, because I'm going to have to bring it back later. When I divide by 3, I get x squared plus 4x equals negative 11 over 3. Now, I go back and I have b over 2 squared. In this case, b is 4. So 4 over 2 squared is 2 squared. And I'm going to add 2 squared to both sides. The left-hand side will now factor into x plus 2 squared. And the right-hand side, by making my 2 a 4 and adding those in my calculator, I end up with 1/3. Well, recall, over here I divided by 3, so now I have to bring that back, and I need to multiply both sides by 3. This brings my a back out front, so I have 3 times x plus 2 squared equals, on the right hand side when I multiply I get 1. So I'm going to bring my 1 back across, and I get to my final answer. 3 times x plus 2 quantity squared minus 1 is my y in vertex form. And now I can see a. A is 3, which it was when I started up at the top. Here are 2 student examples. You should pause the video now and attempt them on your own, and then come back and check your work. Now you should check your work, make sure you got the same answer that we did at the bottom, and then you are able to move on to your homework for completing the square. That is the end of this video.